Hi everyone, me again. In the previous videos, we talked about present simple, present continuous, okay? And also to be verbs and do, does, did, auxiliary verbs. And now we're going to continue with present simple, present continuous and see the differences, okay? This video is really important, okay? Try to watch it for more than once. Let's see. Here, again, let me write a title for you here. Present simple and continuous again, okay? So present simple and continuous again. But here in this video I'm gonna talk about the state verbs, okay? State verbs are really crucial. Let's see. Normally we use present continuous forms like, for example, let's say I am speaking. We use them for actions which are not finished, yet, okay? Which are not finished yet. They started in the past, look, here. Now, in the past, start here. And still continues, okay? Goes on, not finished, okay? It's not finished yet. So we use present continuous for this form, okay? So, and also present simple, we use it for something which is general. I told you here, for example, I speak 6 languages. I speak 6 languages. This is general, okay? Always. I speak 6 languages, okay? But here, there are some verbs like, let me just make an example here first. I am knowing what you say, what you mean, for example. I'm knowing what you mean. Look at here. Here. Or we say, I know what you mean. Okay? You see? I know what you mean here. So, as you see, one of them is with ing form here, and we have to be, of course. One of them, no, simple verb. This verb, generally or normally, we don't use these and some other verbs in ing form, okay? We don't use them generally. This one is not true. We call them state verbs. State verbs. What are state verbs? Let's see. I will write almost all of them here, one by one, okay? We have 1, like, 2, want, 3, need, 4, prefer, 5, know, 6, realize, 7, understand, 8, recognize, 9, believe, 10, suppose, 11, remember, 12, mean, 13, belong, 14, fit, okay, and 15, contain, 16, consist, 17, seem. Okay, seem. So you see, these verbs are state verbs. State verbs. Normally we don't use them in ing form. Normally we don't use them in ing form. Of course, in advanced level, I will teach you how you can use them in ing form, but that ing is different. Here, I mean, we don't use them in continuous form, okay? So I write it here. It's really important. Be careful about this point. No continuous here. No continuous, okay? It's really important. No continuous. So we can use them in ing, but that ing is completely different. That ing is not continuous form, okay? So these verbs, we don't use them in continuous form. Continuous is ing, but we have different forms of ing, okay? I mean only continuous form, okay? Let's continue. Let me just give you some more hints. First, let me just talk about some other verbs like think. Think. I'm sorry. Think. So, think means believe or have an opinion. Two meanings. Believe, yes, or have an opinion. Sorry, just believe or have an opinion. Have an opinion, okay? So, believe means, think means believe or have an opinion. We don't use it in the continuous form. We don't use it in the continuous form. Here, no continuous. If the meaning is believe or have an opinion, no continuous. No continuous. For example, I think you're right. I think you're right. It means that in my opinion, okay? I believe you're right, okay? But another meaning is consider. Consider. If it means consider, okay? If the meaning is consider, so you can use it in ing form. Here, yes. Continuous form is allowed. Continuous. Like what? I'm thinking about. Look. I am thinking about. I'm thinking about our meeting. I'm thinking about our meeting. So here it means that I'm considering something. Here means considering. Meaning is considering. So be careful. When think, of course, think has two meanings. One of them is believe or have an opinion about something. So no continuous, no ing. But think, when think means consider something, you can use continuous form. I'm thinking about our meeting. Another one is like see. Hear. Smell. Taste. Look. Feel. You see? So here, generally we don't use them in continuous form. These verbs that I wrote here, okay? We usually use them in present simple. We usually use these verbs in present simple form. We generally use them in present simple form. For example, look at these examples. Do you see that girl over there? Do you see that girl over there? Something smells. Something smells. Sorry, just a moment. Something smells bad here. Bad in here, okay? Like this. Or this food doesn't taste well. Doesn't taste very good or well. You got it? So we can use them in present simple continuous if you want to say that how somebody feels or looks now, okay? You can use them. Like what? Let me write it here. We can use these verbs in continuous form. We can use them in continuous form when we want to say how somebody looks or feel. Okay? So, how somebody looks or feel, just a moment. Now, it's really important. Okay, now, like what? Look at this example. You look nice today. You look nice today. Or we say you are looking well today. Look. So here, this one, both of them are true. So if when we want to say how somebody looks or feels, how somebody looks or feels now, okay? If you're talking at the moment now, so you can use in ing form, no problem. It's completely fine, okay? Look at the next one. So with all these verbs, all of them, see, hear, smell, taste, look, feel. For example, we can say, I feel like going home. I feel like going home now, okay? I feel. Also, you can say, I'm feeling like going home. So at the moment it means, okay? Look, we made an example, taste. Say that, let's say hamburger tastes well. This hamburger is tasting really good. So you can use it in ing form again. Smell, you're smelling well. Wow, what's your perfume? You know, we can use it like ing form at the moment. When something happening at the moment, now, okay? Here, I'm hearing some strange noise now. I'm hearing, okay? So it means that at the moment it's happening. And also see, all of them you can use, okay? You can use them in ing form if it is happening at the moment. So let's continue again. Here, finish. And now look at this, another, let's say, point about this grammar. So, am, is, are, plus being, okay? This one is really important. We use it to say how someone is behaving now, okay? Let me write it here. We use this structure to say how somebody is behaving now. How somebody is behaving now, okay? So, look at this example. Look at this example. We say, he is being so selfish. He's being so selfish now. What does it mean? He's being so selfish now. It means, it's really important. Generally, he is not a selfish person. Generally, he's not a selfish person, but now he's selfish, okay? Now he is selfish, only now. So, another example, let's say, he is a selfish boy. He doesn't care about anyone. He doesn't care about anyone. So look at here. Now look at here. So here, this one, now it means it's happening at the moment, but generally he's not selfish. Generally he's a good boy. He's a good one. He's a good one. Generally, usually, you can say. Generally, usually he's a good one, but now he's being so selfish now. I don't know why. I don't know. I don't know why. Look, I don't know why he is selfish now. He's being selfish, sorry. Now, I don't know why he's being selfish now, because generally he's a good boy. So, but here in this example, in this one, as you see, so he's a selfish boy. This is a general explanation of someone. He doesn't care about anyone. Always. Here. Always he is selfish. Always he is selfish, okay? So we use this structure, am, is, are plus being for something which is happening at the moment, okay? Look at this example here. We say that she is ill. She is ill. Here you cannot say, she is being ill is not true. Okay, be careful. It is not true because it's not a behavior. I'm sorry. Is not a behavior. It's not a behavior. So you cannot say that she's behaving now. No, it's not a behavior. Okay? It's a kind of, let's say, illness, sickness. Okay, she's ill. You cannot say she's being ill. It's not true. Okay, it's not a behavior. So this is one, or another one. Look. Are you tired? You cannot say, are you being tired? No, it's not true, okay? Because again, it's not a behavior, okay? It's not a behavior. So always simple. Here again, of course, this is, let's say, passive or something like that, okay? Later I will explain, I will teach you completely. Here, so there is no ing. Again, no ing. You cannot use it after to be. After to be, you see, okay? So in this condition, you cannot use ing form. When a behavior is happening at the moment, okay? So now state verb is completely finished. I almost told you everything in this video. Try to repeat watching this video because it's really important. See you.